Halo teman-teman. Hari ini kita akan lanjut mencari mainan di samping rumah. Nicely. Okay. Wow. What is it? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Wow. Barracuda.
Panzer Anoa 6x6 APC terlihat di timika menuju ke.
Nicely. Yeah, Hotwheels. White Hotwheels.
I think that may be somewhat of an understatement.
Classic sport car. Oh, nice. Tank.
Impressive new generation tanks equipped with advanced technologies and high levels of armor, which are used to defend strategic areas and are found in service.
Yeah. Wow, nice. Yeah. Hot Wheels sport car. Red. Nice. Hot Wheels soft sport car. Nicely. Wow. Red Jeep. Nice. Black Camaro. Oh, not. This is Ford Mustang.
So this car or one of our other 150 cars, trucks, and SUVs in a lot, go to www.holland.
Yeah, nice. Wait. Nice. Nice. Good. Loader. Nice. Hot Wheels. Classic sport car. Yeah. Hot Wheels classic sport car. Nice. Wow. Besar. Kecil. Nice. Yellow tile.
Selain itu, jarumnya sangat besar dan tajam. Benar-benar menakutkan. Aku tidak pernah mengalaminya lagi.
Nice. This is red tile.
Wow, rasanya selalu nyaman setelah membersihkan diri.
Nice. This is blue tile.
Paginya. Aku sudah bangun. Semuanya masih tidur. Hai Hana.
Oh, hai Tayo, apa kabar?
Aku baik. Ngomong-ngomong, kau mau kemana?
Nicely. Blue tile. Okay. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, and share ke teman-teman kalian. Bye-bye.